Hi, I'm Doug with Travails and Travails. Today we're going to talk about upgrading our furnace thermostat on our 2013 Casita Independence. The reason we're doing this upgrade on the thermostat is because the thermostat that came with the trailer was an older mechanical version, and it was very inaccurate, hard to set the temperature. You'd either be too hot or too cold. The lever was very hard to move sometimes if it had been in the off position for a while.
Doug did some research and found a website, thehandycamper.com. Based upon the information on the webpage, Doug was able to obtain this heat-only thermostat for about $30 that has a digital display. The display is backlit and easy to read. It displays the ambient temperature and has a one-touch access to set the temperature between 40 degrees and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, or 4.5 to 32 degrees Celsius. The thermostat comes with two AA batteries that you will need to insert prior to installing the thermostat. It's imperative to keep an extra set of batteries in the trailer because this thermostat isn't inoperable without the batteries. This project is rated at easy, however you will need some equipment.
Today we're using these tools for this installation. Wire cutters and strippers, and some screwdrivers. So you may or may not need the drill and the pop rivet tools depending on your current installation.
Step 1. Remove the existing thermostat. Step 2. Use the wire cutters to strip the end of existing wires. Step 3. Thread the wires through the hole in the wall plate. Doug had to drill holes in order to position the wall plate to cover the existing holes from the previous thermostat in our Casita. Step 4. Position the wall plate and drill the holes into the trailer. Step 5. Attach the wall plate to the trailer. We used a rivet gun, but you could also use screws to attach the wall plate. Step 6. Connect the wires to the terminal block and tighten the screws. Step 7. Align the thermostat with the tabs and gently push until the thermostat snaps into place. Now your thermostat is ready for programming.